All right, let's look at the homework 4, problem number 2. All right, so we have a graph of the function f is given, and we want to answer the following questions. All right, part A, we want to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left. All right, so I'm gonna make it a little bit larger. All right, so it's approaching 2. So 2 is right here from the left. So you follow this graph, and you can see that the graph is heading toward this particular point here, whose y coordinate is positive 1. So the limit is going to be positive 1. All right, remember that limit is a tendency. We don't actually care if there's a point there or not. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so next one, B. All right, it's the same limit, but we are approaching from the right. All right, so if you're approaching 2 from the right, so you're going to have to follow this. And you can see that this is heading toward this particular point whose y coordinate is 0. So the limit is going to be 0. All right, so type it in. All right, check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so this one we don't have to think too much because remember that the left-hand limit gives you 1 and the right-hand limit gives you a different value, right? So therefore, both-sided, two-sided limit does not exist. So we have that. All right, you would have to have exactly the same value for the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit for this guy to exist. All right, so check the answer. We got that. All right, next one. So this is a function value, f of 2. So we're looking for, so x is 2. Look for the graph. There's a point here. So this is the y coordinate is 0. So f of 2 is 0. All right, so let's type it in, 0. All right, check the answer. We got that. All right, next one, is f continuous at 2, right? If you look at the picture, all right, so there's a gap at 2, so it's not continuous. Answer is no. All right, let's check the answer. We got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.